To install UV curing system, 2.1 insert UV LED light cable. It have a 4 pin. And find the same position as a port, then insert. This black line, and it's too big. It's here have a 2 watt tube, and this one is UV light cable. 2.2 insert UV signal control cable. It have a 3 pin. This side have a 3 pin, and the other side have a 2 pin. Insert 3 pin to here, to the ES port, and then insert the other side to here. 2.3 connect 2 pieces cool water tube. Put 1 tube to inlet or outlet both. Okay, then connect the other tube to rest one. Here you can see inlet A or outlet B. You can put the tube to both. After insert the cool water tube, you can see this is cool water tube, and this one is UV LED power cable, and this one is signal control cable. It's connected to here, and this is the big black wire. 2.4 open this cap. Inject cool water to cooling tank. Inject water to 5 or 6. When you fill in water, you can see here until the water to 5 or 6. Now you can see the water to 6. That means okay. .5 insert power cable. Plug to the socket. Turn on the socket switch. Then power on the switch, the UV control box switch. 2.6. Then turn on the UV control and click the UV on. Click again. Check the UV LED with light up. Click again. If the UV light up, that means okay. Click again. It's okay now. 2.7. If no cooling water in time, UV curing system will be alone. This alone LED will light up. Also, it will be damaged the UV LED.